rates of tax. Okay. So the last class we discussed about the basis of charge. That is the main important aspects while we are going to collecting the tax. At that time we have to consider the three main important aspects. One is charge collecting, and second one is rates of tax, and third one is residential status. So these are the main three aspects that we are supposed to consider. We have to calculate the taxes. Okay. So today we are going to see about the rates of tax. Actually this rates of tax is provided by the financial department as per the income tax act. They have to frame and they have to exist in the calculation of taxes. So as per the year, that financial year, we can take the 2024 to 2025. We have to make all the percent. That is already we see about the percent. Okay. So under the percent, we are having a 4 categories are there. Okay. So under the percent, it includes individual, then Hindu undivided family. Third concept is company, firm or industry. Then fourth one is association of person or body of individual. So these are the main 4 category under the person. So based upon that person, we have to calculate these taxes. So their income. First of all, we take the first condition is, suppose if any individual person, we are supposed to calculate the tax. At that time, we have to consider the tax concept and the amount. Okay. So based on their income only, we have to calculate the tax. Okay. So the first up to 3 lakhs. Suppose if any person, they are earning annual income is up to 3 lakhs, they don't have any option to pay the taxes. Okay. The second one is 3 lakhs 1 to 7 lakhs. Even 1 rupee will be earning above the 3 lakhs. Now automatically that particular slab rate coming under the second. That is a 5% tax they are supposed to pay. So the income falls between 3 lakh 1 rupee to 7 lakhs. Okay. Then third slab rate is 7 lakh 1 rupee to 10 lakhs. Okay. So this category people, they are supposed to pay the tax 10% on their income earned by the annual. Okay. So whenever we are calculating the tax, that time we have to consider the annual income, not monthly income. Please keep it in mind. Suppose if we are going to calculate individual person's income, we have to consider the annual income. Okay. Then fourth slab rate is 10 lakh 1 rupee to 15 lakhs. So this person, they have to pay 20% of tax on their income. The last slab rate is above 15 lakhs. Okay. So whoever they are earning above 15 lakhs, they are supposed to pay their income on 30%. So this is the way only we have to calculate the rates of tax as per the academic year, so assessment year 2024 to 2025. So this is one of the main concept when we are calculating the tax. Okay. Next we move to the additional charges. So this is we have to calculate based on their income. Apart from this, suppose if any person or any individual, they are going to calculate some additional charges. In case first one is standard deduction. So that standard deduction we have to consider for 75,000 rupees. Okay. So as a person, they might be getting some deduction below that amount is 75,000. Then second one is rebate. So a rebate we can consider the 25,000. Some deduction after the standard deduction, some people might be they are getting the rebate in the particular income. Okay. That amount we have to take it for the consideration 25,000. The last one is education checks. Okay. So this education checks is nothing but we have to collect for the government for the purpose of they are developing the primary education or secondary education services and also the health providing services. Okay. That purpose only they are collecting education checks. Okay. So this is only for the purpose each and every person. It is a mandatory to pay the education checks. Okay. So this amount we have to collect and based upon their amount we have to provide the services to and construct primary and secondary education as well as health services. That is, they have to construct some hospitals, government hospitals. So that purpose of developing money, we have to collect the education chest. So the chest is nothing but, what is the full form of chest is central excise and state duties. Okay, that is a chest.